Jenny Park, Terminal 1 through 3.
Oh, I'm getting tears in my eyes.
We're back to Canaveral.
I know.
Oh, is it cruise day?
No.
Not yet?
Nope.
Oh, we're getting close.
You're almost there.
Holy moly. I'm sure. It's going to stink, though. There's not going to be any ships on the other side of this bridge.
No, but it's beautiful to just see the terminal.
Oh, look at you.
Oh, look. Disney's in there.
Is Disney there?
Yes.
What?
Oh, my God.
Holy
Look
moly.
at that.
Oh. Let me see if I can zoom it. Oh, I don't know that I can zoom while I'm shooting. Oh, I can zoom it. There we go. Hey, what's up, everybody?
Look at that.
Holy moly. There you go. Canaveral. Woo. And tomorrow, the Mardi Gras. If I don't get us in an auto accident.
No, this person is just riding this. I just want to move over for him.
There's Jenny close up. Alright, one more look at the ship. What's in, I think the Dream's in or something, right?
Yeah, look at that.
Holy moly, it's a cruise ship. That's right, I'm making up cruise ship show tunes.
In 2 miles, turn right.
Alright guys, we'll see you on the Lido. Jenny, tell me we'll see you on the Lido.
See you on the Lido.